Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making another set of cards using the Weekend Adventure stamp set, as well as the Designer Series paper and sticker sheet. This is part of the Kendra's Card Challenge number 19 series that I have going on. So there's 15 cards, and this is cards 3 and 4 of that series. But before we get started, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Fall For You Toil paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 elegant cards. It coordinates with the Autumn Toil Suite collection. That'll be coming out soon. We have our Circle of the Seasons die add-on that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. Cajun Craze is going to be the spot for this particular kit. And I do have a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. You track and save those rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account. And those rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date of each reward, okay? Next, we have our In Color sale. So the 2025 to 2027 In Colors products are on sale for 15% off from August 5th to the 31st. If you go to honeybeestampinhive.com and click on the image of the In Color sale promotion, it'll take you straight to all the products that are on sale, okay? Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. You can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you are interested in receiving one of these. All right, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project because we have a lot of stuff to do. So let me go ahead and get the first thing out of the way is our inside. We have a piece of Very Vanilla that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we are going to adhere a piece of Designer Series paper that is 3/4 inches, and we're going to cut it down to 3.5. Just like that. And then, hopefully this is not gone yet. I think I need to get a new one. Gonna put some Stampin' Seal on the back of that and put this in our card base, which is Early Espresso, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we are going to burnish down this score line using our bone folder just to make sure that crease stays folded down. Okay, so then we have some pecan pie here, and we're gonna layer up all of our little pieces from Kendra's card sketch. So I'm gonna show you the sketch that we're gonna be doing today. The sketches rather. So we're going to be doing number 3 right here and number 4. So as you can see, it's a lot of little pieces on here. So I am going to start off with a long piece of this one and a long piece of this one. And we're going to glue these on. So I'm going to put this here, and it says to go all the way to the top and all the way to the side. Just making sure that's lined up. And we'll get our other strip here. I got this paper because I took a Alaskan cruise, and I told myself I was going to take pictures in scrapbook. And I thought this pack of Designer Series paper would be perfect for that, but I haven't done it yet. I didn't even print out any of the pictures that we took. Okay, so next we are going to take a short piece, one of our shorter blues, and we're going to glue that right up under these two here. So let's do that. And then the other shorter blue. Wait, no, we're going to take a long yellow. And we're going to put that down here like this. Then we're going to take another of the long ones. Make sure this is the long one, yep. And we're going to glue that down right next to that yellow. this. And this way, this is what I was trying to avoid. I forgot I should have did these two first. That way, if something is too long, I can cut it off on the edge. So this short one is going to go right here like this. Something. Okay. Then we're going to take these yellow ones and they go on the opposite side. So those will be simple because they're the last ones. Come on. We're just going to pop it on just like that. And do the same with this one. I'm going to pop it on like this. And we'll cut off the overhang. Do like that. Okay. So now we're going to take this and adhere it to our card base. Again, the measurements for all of these are on Kendra's PDF. It is free to download. And I will have a link for that in the description box below. So you can, if you want to use any of these card sketches, you can get all the measurements and the way to cut everything right on that sheet. So now we're going to do some stamping. So I have a little piece here of some very vanilla. I do not know the size of this. Did I write it on there? No, I didn't. I'm going to stamp from the Weekend Adventure stamp set some flowers here. Just going to stamp that on there like that. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm using my little grid paper here for scrap so that I didn't get that ink on my desk. Come off here. I'm using up my little bits of dimensionals. I know this is the little piece, but I only had a little left, so I just wanted to use all of them. Get rid of them now. So let's get the backings off of this. Oh, I forgot. We got to get our sticker sheet. I need to get a sticker from there. And this is going to go right here in that little space. And on our sticker sheet, we are going to be getting Exciting Day. So we're going to pull out our sticker sheet. And we're going to look for the words Exciting Day. Here it is, right here. Exciting Day. And we're going to put our sentiment. Do I want to pop this up? I think I'm going to just leave it just like that. Exciting Day. And then we're going to add our bling to our project, which is the Adhesive-Backed textured dots. We're going to put some of these, and on her sketch, she does have a place to put the bling. If I can find my Take Your Pick tool. So she's telling us to put 2 here and 2 down here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a big one and a smaller one right here. And then we're going to do a big one and a smaller one right there. And call that card done. So that is sketch number 3. Okay, so let's move on to sketch number 4. Let's get our area cleaned up. Get sketch number 4. All the pieces, I put each one in an envelope because that is best when you're sorting out all the pieces, because you get 6 designer series papers, cut them all up into all the pieces, and her PDF tells you, like, this piece goes with card number 1, this one goes with card number 3, or whatever. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these together before I do my insides, because I know these go together. So I'm using an Early Espresso card base again, but I'm layering these pieces onto Old Olive. Just like this. Cute, cute, cute already. Okay, then we have an Old Olive circle. Let me see if the measurements, did I use the, yep. This is a 2-inch circle, and this one, this one is a 1 3/4 inch circle. So we're gonna put that on here, like that. We're gonna get our inside, and I have some designer series paper that I'm gonna glue along the side of our very vanilla. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Our strip of designer series paper looks to be about 1/2 inch. This was just scrap that was left over, so I didn't measure it. We're just gonna trim that end. And hopefully I have enough left in here. I'm gonna pop this onto some Old Olive that is 5 by 3 3/4. Then we're gonna get this on the inside of our card. Some liquid glue. Pop that in, get our bone folder, burnish that score line down. And now we can put these pieces on, and they're gonna go on in the corners just like this. Okay, so we're gonna get our liquid glue here. Pop this up here, trying to leave an even border around, and do the same with this one down here. Uh-oh, I'm running out of adhesive of all kinds. We're gonna put that right about there. Okay, then we're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of our circle here. Trying to use up all these little edge pieces. Why am I holding that dimensional? Let's remove the backings of this. And we're gonna put this, make sure if it's directional, you have it going the right way. And this is gonna go right down here at the bottom, making sure you don't go over the edge of your card base, just like that. Okay, and now we're gonna get our sticker sheet again. And for card number 4, we're using the word adventure right here. And I do believe I want to pop this one up. So I'm going to put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back, even though it is a sticker, so it's already sticky. I want to pop it up. That is a little too long. So let's cut that dimensional down a bit. Get some more dimensionals in here. Do I have? Okay. Here's another edge piece I can use. Now we're going to pop this onto our card base. And we're going to put this right here, like that. Isn't that cute? Okay, and the last thing we have to do is add our bling. And we're going to use the same dots here. We're going to put a couple down over here, like so. This is how she shows them on her sketch. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, let's bring in the first card. So these are sketches 3 and 4 of Kendra's card challenge number 19. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.